How to bypass Google activation lock in Galaxy Grand Prime Plus. First, connect a data cable from computer to mobile phone. Then open this application real time. Then select your port. You will get here 3 green signal. Then send. Here commanders. Please copy this command. Then paste here. Then click here. Again. Must you will get OK here. Then copy command 2. Replace here. Must insert SIM card in mobile. Then you will get call. Please disconnect this call and open SMS. Write here www.kadervalleri.com. Okay, sent. Then disconnect data cable. Disconnected that data cable. Okay, open this URL. Okay, then how to unlock FRP lock 2007. Please open here. Then OneDrive, click here. This is new method, 100% successful. Just wait. Okay, skip here, add. Then here get use the app. Before use this method, must you have Microsoft account. Okay, Hotmail, Outlook, Live, anyone. If not exist already account, please sign up here. I have already account. I log in with that account. Okay, Okay, then next, write here your password. Okay, this is my password, please input your password. You then select not now. Then press here, select shared. Okay, shared with me. Then unlocker. Okay, first install Android 6. If you get error, please install Android 5. Then settings on resource. Okay, install. Then select done. Then press here bypass lock. Open. Then select here browser sign in. Okay, type your new email. Here must Gmail. This is my fake email. Okay, and set here. Then write your password. Then go. Then restart your mobile. Now start. Next. Wait. It will take some time. Next. then select not now, untick here, skip anyway, then click here, skip, finish, agree, okay. Now settings, general management, account, then click here, remove this Gmail, and click here, remove this Hotmail, then reset your mobile again. Successful. Now no need any Gmail or password. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my video channel.